Today I'm going to do like a first impression of my Christmas present that I got. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I'm not going to go too much into detail because there's a lot of videos already out there, but this is just going to be my first impression. I'm really looking forward to using this because just blow drying my hair the normal way with a regular hair dryer, it makes my hair go pfft. And I can't do my own blowout because my hair is too long and too thick that I just can't do both at the same time. So this acts as a brush and a hair dryer. So hopefully it will help with that smooth look I'm going for. And my hair is frizzy, like I just said. It's frizzy and coarse and thick. Well, let's just open this bad boy up. I got this from my husband for Christmas. Comes with a little manual, of course. I've watched enough videos, I think I know how it works. So this is what it looks like. And then the adapter. And you have offsetting, cool, low, and high. Right there on the side. And you just move this thing. So my hair's been sitting up in this towel thing for probably like 30 minutes, maybe more. And that's what I normally do because it cuts down the drying time, of course. And yeah, I'm just gonna dive right into using this and I'll let you know my thoughts on it. Okay. So I normally use the Smooth Solution Ion Keratin Dry Oil Mist. Eliminates frizz and it's lightweight. I like this stuff. And I also have the Redken Frizz Protector Factor, Frizz Dismiss. That's what I normally use when I blow dry my hair, but I think I'm not going to use them because I want to see what it does without it. So it's just going to be my hair and me. And sorry if I'm talking kind of weird or lower or whatever, but I don't want anybody to hear me. I think my husband might be able to hear me. Out and it's damp. I section my hair off.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are
Cool. I need a heat protectant though at least, but I don't have one. I'll probably get one because it does get
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
now time to do the top part. Hair's still kind of frizzy, but that's just my hair. But for the most part, it's pretty good. And it's soft, it's so soft.
If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my walking in the distance. I'll find you in my
See, frizzy. Frizzy, frizzy, frizzy. Now imagine all this hair like that. But we'll fix it.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
It does get really hot. One thing about having thick hair is that I don't always get, look at that. I washed my hair. I even flipped my head upside down. But I still didn't get all of the conditioner out. But all in all, I think it looked, I took more time with it just to play with the different angles and things like that, but all in all, I really like it. It's heavy. My shoulder and my arm were getting tired, so it's heavy. I think I'm gonna put it on the cool setting and run it through my hair. really like it because I usually have to blow dry my hair with like a regular hair dryer, and then I would have to either curl it or flat iron it because it would be really frizzy and puffy, so I'd have to like tame it by flat ironing it, but with the brush and the hair dryer combo, I don't have to do that. Maybe like right here with these ends, just kind of straighten them out a little bit, and my bangs, because I kind of like I like my bangs going back like that, but maybe more practice with this hair dryer and I'll get it, but I'm really happy with it and I'll definitely use it. But I love that it takes out an extra step for me. I just have to use this and that's it. And I think if I used heat protectant and one of these, I think it'll really help with this side of my head, because this just kind of it's not laying right. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. And it's soft, it's really soft. I had my iPhone flipped the other way, so I'm used to looking at you guys this way, but it's this way now. But yeah, it's pretty straight. I give it 2 thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just my first impressions on my hair, which is really thick and coarse and frizzy. And it did an awesome job and I'm very happy with it. I definitely recommend this product. I am not sponsored in any way, but I do recommend it. I'm really happy that it's cutting out a lot of time and an extra step for me, so I'm not spending forever getting ready, doing my hair. Half the time I don't even do it because I just don't want to take an hour and a half to do it, but this is definitely going to cut back on that. My only complaint with this is that it's heavy and it does get hot, so if you're like running your hair through it at the same time you're doing that, it does get extremely hot. But I honestly need that for my hair, but and I did use the high temp. Maybe the low one would be better, but yeah, I'm really glad my husband got this for me for Christmas. I'll definitely be using it, and yeah. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below so you can stay tuned for more videos like this and updates and card vlogs and things of that nature. But thanks again. Bye.